Welcome back to our channel. Today the 2025 Toyota JPN Rickshaw is redefining urban mobility by blending traditional Japanese aesthetics with modern engineering. Designed as a tribute to Japan's iconic hand-pulled rickshaws, this futuristic vehicle offers an innovative solution for eco-friendly urban transportation. Compact, stylish, and efficient, the JPN Rickshaw is crafted to navigate narrow streets and crowded cityscapes while minimizing environmental impact. Powered by an advanced electric drivetrain, the JPN Rickshaw delivers impressive performance and zero emissions. Its compact battery pack ensures sufficient range for daily commutes and short-distance trips, making it ideal for bustling urban centers. With regenerative braking technology, it maximizes energy efficiency, offering a seamless ride while reducing the need for frequent charging. The design of the JPN Rickshaw seamlessly integrates traditional craftsmanship with modern technology. Its lightweight aluminum frame ensures durability while maintaining agility. The open cabin, adorned with premium materials, offers passengers a comfortable and airy experience. Subtle nods to traditional Japanese design, such as wood grain accents and minimalist aesthetics, elevate its appeal, making it a perfect fit for cultural hotspots and tourist destinations. Safety is a top priority in the JPN Rickshaw. Toyota has equipped it with advanced features such as collision avoidance systems, 360-degree cameras, and adaptive cruise control. These technologies ensure a safe and smooth ride for both passengers and drivers, even in densely populated areas. Affordability and accessibility are key aspects of the 2025 Toyota JPN Rickshaw. Designed to support ride-sharing and last-mile transportation services, it offers a cost-effective solution for urban mobility challenges. With its low operating costs and sustainable design, it appeals to eco-conscious consumers and businesses alike. The JPN Rickshaw is more than just a vehicle. It represents Toyota's commitment to innovation, sustainability, and cultural preservation. By combining traditional charm with cutting-edge technology, the 2025 Toyota JPN Rickshaw promises to revolutionize how cities approach transportation, offering a greener, more elegant way to move through the world's busiest streets.